on this episode.
I thank you. Have a great day. Thank you guys. Have a not this one. Do y'all remember this heavy laptop? I paid $3. How much is this?
It's antique.
Oh, okay.
$3.
$3?
Yeah.
Well, we're about to sell it right now for $80 on Facebook Marketplace. And of course, I'm taking y'all with me. Shimon. Y'all, look at this joke. Your mama is so fat, when she wore a Malcolm X shirt, a helicopter tried to land on her. How's that? You know what? I'm crying. But this is a typewriter. It's in clean condition. Alright, let's get this thing sold. She says she in front. Whew. Yeah, I promise y'all it's so heavy. Yeah. I probably should have drove because now I'm tired. Hello, how you doing? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. No problem.
I should have given you an ETA.
It's okay. It's kind of heavy.
Oh God, this is heavy.
Yes.
Good Lord, no wonder they're $250 on Amazon. I'm like,
Yeah.
I'm sure they're like 100, pounds.
Yeah, to ship it, I'm pretty sure it's expensive. I thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
I hope your daughter enjoys it.
Oh, I'm sure she will.
Thank you.
Thanks for holding it.
No problem. Thank you. You too. 20, 40, 60, 80. All right, Candy Crew. Just like that, it was sold. Did y'all hear her? She said that same typewriter on Amazon is $250, but it's so heavy, I could just imagine how much shipping costs, to be honest. I didn't mind selling it for 80 bucks. I only paid $3. $3, as y'all saw in the clip. Hey. Right now, I gotta go wash the van. It has debris all over it. And I also have to get me a smoothie and a ginger shot. So come on, let's go. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Hey, what's the deal, Candy Crew? It's a new day. Y'all know what that means. We getting some new shmoney. Right now, we selling that jacket. Y'all remember that jacket? The Dodge jacket, I paid $20 for. How much for the coat?
That one, 30.
You said 30?
Yeah.
Okay. Question, could you do 15 on the jacket?
I do 20.
Okay.
It's brand new, there's no tags on it. But it's never been worn. And there's more clothes outside if you're interested.
Okay. Well, I'm selling it right now for 60. All right, I'm taking y'all with me. Come on. It's dope, huh? Yep. Let's get that shmoney. Oh. How ironic he has a Challenger. Good morning. Yes.
Decide if you wanted it.
Oh, now go to estate sales.
Oh, I
Yes.
gotcha. Is that yours?
No.
Oh.
There was not. My friend has one, but he has to charge her.
Oh, there you go.
Mhm.
The challenge is much better.
It is, but it's faster.
My boyfriend loves driving.
Oh. Oh.
It's my car.
Ooh, wait a minute. Good morning.
Hi, how are you today?
Fine, and you?
Great.
Kids.
Okay, so
I'm just looking.
thank you very
No,
much.
thank you guys. Have a great day, okay? Thank you. Sorry, y'all. I have to do a voiceover. But do y'all remember that knife set I got for $10? If not, check the scene out. It's a great store. How much are your the spoons and forks?
Let me ask Lynn over here. For the circle and stuff.
For all of it, I do $10.
$10. I took a best offer on eBay for $60 and I shipped the utensils only because guess what? They didn't want the box. Got it for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hi. I just want a receipt. I already paid for it, please. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Hey, what's the deal? Good morning, Candy Crew. It's a new day. It's a Saturday. We have a jam-packed day. Right now, I'm downtown LA. I'm going to an event tomorrow, so I need something to wear. So I'm gonna show y'all where they have stuff for wholesale. Like at one point in my life, I was thinking about buying clothes down here and reselling the clothes, but I just never got around to it. But I'm gonna show y'all they have stuff for cheap, and that's why I'm here.
My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid.
Hi, how much are your jerseys?
Those are $5 each.
$5 each. Let me see. Can you do 8 for both? You said $5 each. Huh? You said, okay. These 2 jerseys?
Okay, let me get you change. There you go.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I think I got it. All right, y'all. So as y'all saw in the video, I got a few items, nothing to break the bank, but something to add to it, okay?
From the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your all them fake.
Good morning. I'm finding yourself. I mean, good morning. I'm tripping. Good afternoon.
It's fine. I've been doing it all day.
I'm here for oil change.
Okay. Did you have an appointment with us today?
Yes, at 2:30.
All right. No problem. I'll get the tag, put it in your window. One of our advisors will be out to bring it.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Like your pics, I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody.
finally stopped driving. I got some lunch, Chick-fil-A. I got a kids meal, and then I got a side kale salad. Yeah, this is my first meal of the day. I hope y'all had a productive day. For my nuggets, I like mixing the ketchup with the Chick-fil-A sauce and to dip my nugget in there. Fire. And then for the French fries, I like using the sriracha sauce. Can y'all see it? This sauce on French fries at Chick-fil-A. Y'all try it and let me know how y'all like it. It's good. And I got a lemonade. I meant to get a cup of water, but I forgot. I might go back in there. But they seemed like they had attitude in there. Like the people was not pleasant. Like people are normally pleasant at Chick-fil-A. Not this one. They seem to be having a rough day. You hear me? It's like, sheesh. I hope your day turn around, buddy. Because why you mad at me? I just came to place the order for my lunch. Why did I use my teeth? Once I eat, I'm going to go relax. Take a nap. And then list some items online. I'm thinking OfferUp. I haven't listed on eBay in so long, I'll be honest. I list on there sporadically. I'm so used to doing the in-person sales. I kind of got spoiled, to be honest. But yeah. Y'all want a nugget? And y'all tell me how y'all like it. Chick-fil-A sauce with ketchup on top. Ooh. Take a bite. No big bites. I got a kids meal, y'all, okay? Alright. But let me eat. I'll catch you in a second.
You hustling and you hustling good.